Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out a new mousetrap that kind of looks like a smoke alarm. It's made by Catchmaster. It's called the Hide and Seal Mousetrap. Easy one-click set, no touch disposal, and keeps catch out of sight. There's 2 traps in this package. So we'll go ahead and open this up and see how it works. It just snaps open on top. There's the instructions. On top of the Catchmaster is a red button. You push that to set the trap. It's shaped like a circle with a flat back. That part goes against the wall. It has a flat bottom and it says bait, place, and set. You put the bait right there. Then you place it against the wall and set it by pushing the button. There's 2 holes on either side for the mouse to enter. One right here and one right here. Now this is a very safe trap. You can't get your fingers in there, but the lid does pop off. Mouse can come down the wall from either side, go in the trap around here, and there's a trigger pad right there. And the top of the trap will come down with the spring. When you touch this, you got the mouse. I'm curious how well this trap works. We're going to bait it down there, then go set it up in the barn with motion cameras and see if we can get wild mice. Last night I set up this Catchmaster mousetrap in the barn and it worked well. We got a mouse. It came down the wall, smelled the bait, went inside, went around the trap, hit the trigger, and got caught. Now this trap is designed to be very safe. It contains everything. You don't have to deal with a dead mouse. You can simply throw the whole trap in the garbage. But to me that's very wasteful. What I like about this trap is you can also reuse it. To do that, you lift up the side, unclip it, and give the mouse a little flip in the garbage. Then you put the top back on, push the button, and you're ready to catch another mouse. Now I don't want the mouse we caught to go to waste. I'm gonna go set it up on our compost pile, see if the cat, the fox, or the opossums want to come eat it. They've been pretty picky though. We'll see what happens. Let's go set up the motion cameras. Well, my opossum population appears to be growing. There's multiple opossums coming to the compost pile to get the leftover table scraps, and one of them decided the mouse looked like it'd make a good meal. It crunched it up. That first opossum's very picky. Overall, I'm really happy with the Catchmaster. It worked well, but I'm not a big fan of the mouse traps designed to just throw away. I understand some people just can't handle a dead mouse. They want it out of sight, out of mind. So if that's you, if you want a safe mouse trap where you don't have to touch or see a dead mouse, this is a good option. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider clicking the button right there. I have over 500 videos on YouTube and currently I'm posting new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.